All right, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to highlight duplicate values in Google Sheets. And I have here a list of items and I just want to highlight them. I don't want to delete them. So we have the function here, which is the one to delete. So you could do data cleanup and remove the duplicates. The problem with using this option is that you're not able to see what part of your data was actually a duplicate. So right here in this case, I don't want to remove, I just want to see what the duplicates are. And the use case for this, for example, the other day I was looking at a keyword list, I was looking for new keywords, and I wanted to deduplicate them and make sure that I did not have them already, but I did not want them deleted. So that's why I needed to be able to highlight. So I'm going to show you how to do this. It's very simple. We're going to do it by using conditional formatting. So I'm just going to click here on A. So we select everything that is under column A, and I'm going to come to Format, and we're going to use conditional formatting. So apparently I have already some here. I'm just going to delete it, and I'm going to add a new rule. So I'm going to come here, Format Cells If, and I'm going to scroll down to Custom Formula. You see by default it just applied something, but we don't need it. So we're going to come here, value or formula, and I'm going to paste what I need. I need to use a count if here. So the formula here is equals count if. A to A means that you are looking in column A. So A to A, you're starting looking at A1, and this is bigger than 1. So if in the column A, so all of it, even if you add new data, starting by A1, if you see the value more than once, then you're going to do what I'm telling you to do here. You're going to format it, and you're going to, I can keep the existing one because I think this is good for me. So we're just going to color the cell in green. So you can see that it's already working. I'm going to click on Done, and you can see that I already have the word apples, pears, bananas, and oranges. So those are duplicates. They appear more than once, versus apricot appears only one. All of those that are not colored, they appear only once. You can see, scroll down, everything at the bottom is kind of there more than once. Okay, so if I want to double check this, I can just do a Control F, and we can look for one of the words here. So for example, let's look for blackcurrant. Control C. Paste it. You see blackcurrant is there only once. Now I want to show you something. So here, avocado, the word avocado is telling me that it's not duplicate. However, if you scroll down and you look for avocado, you can see we have avocados. So with the S, it's not the same. That's why avocado is not highlighted. It's not a duplicate. Okay, it's just looking for exact matches. So avocado is not duplicate, but avocados with an S is appearing more than once. If I did like Control F, avocados appears 6 times. And if you did avocado, it should appear only here, only once.